Hey there, I am HVAC Repair Guy. I have worked as a technician, installer, and licensed contractor over my 17 plus years in this industry, and before that, I served as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two entry-level heat pump choices for your home, the Mr. Cool Signature Series and the Liberty GLZS5B. Looking closely at cabinet construction, both units use a traditional louvered panel design to protect the condenser coils. Louvers give you good, sturdy metal protection against yard debris, lawnmowers, and stray balls. In addition, both of these outdoor units come standard with factory-installed compressor sound blankets to help muffle mechanical vibrations. Moving on to heating efficiency, we look at the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF. The Mr. Cool Signature Series comes in with an HSPF rating of 7.5, while the Liberty GLZS5B gives you a slightly higher rating of 8.2. In plain English, a higher HSPF means the system extracts heat out of cold outdoor air more efficiently during winter months, which helps lower your electric bill when the temperatures drop. While both of these operate as heat pumps, providing winter heat and summer cooling, the Liberty will give you a bit more heating performance per kilowatt hour of electricity used. Taking a look under the hood at the compressor and fan technology, both of these units are basic single-stage heat pumps. Neither system features variable speed or two-speed compressor operation, and both use single-speed outdoor condenser fans. That means when the thermostat calls for heating or cooling, the compressor and fan turn on at 100% capacity until the home hits temperature, and then they shut completely off. The Signature Series operates between 60 to 65 decibels, depending on the tonnage. That range is equivalent to a normal conversation or a quiet dishwasher running in the next room. The Liberty GLZS5B, it carries a published sound rating around 70 to 73 decibels. That level is roughly equivalent to a vacuum cleaner running nearby or heavy freeway traffic from your porch. If you are wondering who actually makes these units, Mr. Cool manufactures the Signature Series overseas in China. The Liberty GLZS5B is manufactured right here in the USA by Dakin Comfort Technologies at their Texas plant as part of their Goodman/Liberty product lines. When you check current online equipment pricing across retailers, standalone outdoor heat pumps for the Mr. Cool Signature Series start around $3,158 for a 3-ton unit at major retailers like Home Depot, with matching indoor air handlers ranging from $1,077 up to $1,665, complete. Mr. Cool Match split systems typically run from $2,909 to $5,250 depending on system tonnage. For the Liberty GLZS5B line, online retailer pricing for the standalone outdoor heat pump condenser starts around $2,801 for a 1.5-ton unit and $3,234 for a 2.5-ton unit. Complete Liberty GLZS5B split system packages paired with a matching air handler generally run between $3,412 and $4,519 plus online, depending on the blower configuration. Both provide a 10-year standard warranty on overall parts. However, the warranty details differ on major components. The Mr. Cool Signature Series carries a lifetime compressor warranty but 0 years of unit replacement coverage. The Liberty GLZS5B carries a 10-year compressor warranty and includes 10 years of full unit replacement coverage, meaning if the compressor fails within that 10-year window, Liberty replaces the whole outdoor unit. My honest recommendation comes down to overall performance and long-term protection. The clear winner here is the Liberty GLZS5B. It gives you a noticeably better HSPF rating for colder winter efficiency, runs on domestic U.S. manufacturing, and backs you up with a full 10-year unit replacement warranty if the heart of the system fails.